Action. Higher pull, highly experienced, hydraulic best under pressure. Those boys, man, have been under pressure today. Well, leaning on that barbecue, it's been a huge amount of pressure for them. Thanks guys, we've been well fed and watered by hydraulic, really appreciative of what they've done. And a fantastic new Pinto trailer mobile barbecue. Taking the food to the people. If you'd like to find out more about it, contact your hydraulic dealer and say, hey, you guys have got a barbie, can you come to our work function, our place, our charity? Check it out with hydraulic, best under pressure. Here we go, right, let's get the top off this bottle, let's get the top off. Right, good. See how powerful the machine is? Alright, here we go, this is the tricky part. If we put enough pressure on to break that bottle, what's it going to do now to squeeze the nectar out of this bottle? Right, better draft. Great beer designed by great people. Enjoy great taste. Trying to squeeze a little bit more out of it, getting every last little bit of advantage. Here we go, getting up closer. And again, try this at home folks, go and get a bit of tape and strap the stubby bottles at the end of a broomstick and then hold it out at full arm's length and then try and judge pouring it. And when I say judge pouring it, have it coming towards you like it is for these guys. Because when you pour a glass, have you ever noticed you've got in a beer, you've always got it at right angles. Why? Because you can judge the distance of where it's pouring to, but when it's coming towards you, you can't judge it. I bet you spill it out the end. And the reason I'm saying on a broom handle is, of course, effectively this is like a broom handle. He's 6 metres away from it. Even if you just had a 2 metre broom handle, it would still be a lot closer than it is. So judging that distance, they're like, we can... Alright, so he's now got the bottle at about horizontal, alright? So there's still, in effect, there's still a third of it left behind. You've got to squeeze every last little bit of goodness out of that, mother. So how do you get it to do that? Well, luckily it's not an oasis. There is something in there, but it won't save us any drought. Oh! I think there was a wind then.